In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the outside mirror glass on this Cadillac Escalade. Let's get into it. We're going to start by taping up the mirror glass just to prevent any glass from shattering, or in the event that it does shatter, glass does not go all over the place. Now, using a trim tool, we want to pry off this cover on the front side. You're just going to get underneath the top lip, pry that out, and then from the front, try to pull that off. So it's clipped into the top there. On the back side here, you can see where there's a little tab, and you just need a straight blade screwdriver. Go underneath that tab and pop it up. If you just pry, and the mirror glass pops right out. Then you have some wires to disconnect on the back. If you need to, you can use a small pocket screwdriver, pop the wires off. Then the connector right here, push down on the tab and slide it off. The new mirror glass has its own adapter, so we'll just take the old one off. You just pull it out just like that. You want to make sure these adjusters are all in the same location. Take the new mirror, we're going to plug this in. Line that connector up, push it on. Then the two terminals, might have to pull those out a little bit. Slide that out of the way. And just get this all lined up. You want to take a rag, and in the center of the mirror, you want to push it on. It will lock in place. You can check it, go side to side. Be careful, you don't want to push on the outside or the top and the bottom. You just want to push in the center. Take the cover, line it up, lock it in place, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.